Hi, my name is Daryl from Pennsylvania. I'm down here in beautiful sunny Florida, and decided to buy the DVD that Danny put out after watching other people's testimonies. People that are similar like me in background, from all walks of life too, that were successful in hard work and dedication that they gave to their business. And I always wanted to own my own business. I've been in sales or sales management for 30 years now, and just not replacing my income right now, but definitely on the path to do so, and to give me options. I don't want to be somebody that has to work till 67 to retire, unless I choose to do so. And the fortunate thing about us is I watched the DVDs, got a lot of good information, and was able to really negotiate a 12-month rent-free lease. It was a little frustrating because it did take us about 6 months till we finally got what we wanted, but through Danny's teachings and his techniques, it proved to be beneficial. So we're well on the way, start of the journey. They say the 1,000-mile journey starts with the first step, right? So we're on our way. I can't wait. You can do it too.